Stories have been written of mothers' lives. Still, there are mothers whose life stories are most intriguing and almost impossible to fully narrate and appreciate. Such is the life lived and legacies left behind for generations by late Ezinne Margaret Anyanwutaku, who passed on at the age of 93 years. The final journey of late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret udeafor Anyanwutaku, Nnekwu, known as Oyibo kwesili, Mama Nnekwu, who hailed from Uke in Idemili local government area of Anambra State, commenced with her remains leaving Iyen Hospital Mortuary Ogidi to her late father's house in Oba Village, Uke. Friends, families, and well-wishers all gathered to pay their last respect to a woman who made her mark in the sands of time. Lying in state took place at her husband's house, Omuanugo Village, Ogidi. Thereafter proceeded to St. Andrew's Anglican Church, Ogidi, for the funeral service. The Bishop of Niger Diocese, Bishop Owen Chidozie, also the Bishop of Afikpo Diocese, Dr. Paul Udogo, among other priests, were present at the church service.
Yes, when you know that.
Bishop Owen Nwokolo described Mama Nnekwu as a kind-hearted mother who encouraged his son, High Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, to put up the edifice St. Andrew's Anglican Church, Ogidi, among others.
Mama Margaret Maya, yes, for Christ. Uruoba, yes, the no dollar. Uruoba, you are the good man. Bundi Napara, Inoma, Bundi, the Nakaya, when of Iga Uruga, in the Namia. Just all in your guard, the law, I get you a check. Hello, my chicken. Margaret kwesili ime amara ihe kwesịrị ime n'ezinụlọ gị. Ibi na kwuru m na ọ na-alụrụ ndị ọ ga-abụrụ ọsị nwa ya arụkwa. Ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Na-abụrụ onye ụka ife ọsị ya emekwe na mesọsọ nke anyị. Anọ pasito. Ọ dị ka well done. Imere Goma Amakiria good as a woman who did very well. I get into a new chair. Yabudozioma, Nikama Kidaria, the sinking in a number. Manitina Mokukato when I keep 10. Obo Akuko Pasara Ufumai. Onye Jesus Christ kwuru okwu sị na o mere nke ọma, ọ lụrụ ọrụ ọma.
After the church service, late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret Anyanwutaku was laid to rest.
Margaret
Some of the dignitaries that attended the ceremony includes Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate in the just concluded election, Valentine Ozigbo, Iwe Alex Ozonyido, the traditional ruler of Ogidi community, Professor Obiora Okonkwo, CEO, United Nigerian Airlines, the G21 Committee of Friends Club, who came to commiserate with their very own High Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, Obataobie Ogidi, among others.
Of Nigeria or his faults. No, sir. Not to a question, I don't expect to call me Obataobie Ogidi. I am your anchorman for the day. Working with me here is our monitor. Okay, body back. You know it. You are no monitor. Nice to have you. Nnekwu mama onye ka a na-akwa today. Biko anyị na-arịọ onye ọbụla nọ ebe arụ iwe nweke wee rie ya wee ṅụọ aṅụọ mesoro anyị wee kelee Chineke maka ezigbo ndụ mama nnukwu bi n'ụwa wee rapụ wee naba. Okay,
Stop the Ogidi. Abuja bana kia fight. Ana mashiko. Stop here, you ready? What's here?
I'm here to commiserate and support my dear brother Obataobie Ogidi, a man of impact, somebody who we respect dearly. Of course, having lost his mother, yes, at a ripe age, but nonetheless, it is a death that will always leave a vacuum to the family. So I'm here to join the whole world in wishing them well, praying for Mama to be rested in the bosom of the Lord.
Vice President of G21, and we are here because of Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, our great member. No one there, Margaret udeafor and I barely came. Kai Panyere, Kai Nonyere, Macanone, Neano, 93 years. Bunde, Metaguri,
Obataobie Ogidi, look at what respect, look at what you pronounce up. How can you back at Puji Pony? And what if you look at Mado, you will do open. No pronounce up. You will not. Mado Karen. Chief Doctor. The Chief Doctor. The Chief Doctor. We don't make
The children of late Ezinne Margaret, sharing their experiences with their late mother, described her as a woman of passion, integrity, as well as a loving and kind-hearted mother.
Sweetest of moms, a mom like no other. My mother, no word can describe. Compassionate, loving, ever ready to forgive, and full of loveliness that she shared all through her life, from the family of her birth to her marriage, down to her grandchildren.
A wonderful lady. I don't even know where to begin because she's such a lovely woman, and that everybody will wish to have as his or her mother, because she's very kind-hearted and she's a loving lady, always ready to forget and forgive whoever that offends her. You understand? So we are really going to miss her presence, you know, because she's just one of those women that you can say, this woman is almost perfect.
So Grandma came to the U.S. 14 years ago, and she came to live with us, and she's just so full of joy and love, and I miss her so much. And she's easily the most positive person that I know, and she just makes everyone's day better. Everyone that I've met, they always say the same thing: I love your grandma, she's so funny. And even though my friends can't speak Igbo, like the faces she makes, or like when people look nice, like it just makes you feel good about yourself. And I miss her so much. She's just so nice. And
around the time I graduated college, she came and lived with us in San Antonio. And when I started working, I was in my off season, I would help out. So I would spend a lot of time with her for the next 5-6 years. So our interactions was, helping her take her medicine, eat, change her, and just, we spent a lot of time and just joked with each other.
In-laws and many groups also came the next day to pay their last respects to Mama Nnekwu and commiserate with the family.
Ladies with the swag and style, believer. We appreciate your presence. Please, you are welcome. Men of timber and caliber. On your family. On your family. Yes.
On Sunday 9th April, a Thanksgiving service was held for the late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret udeafor Anyanwutaku at St. Andrew's Anglican Church, Ogidi. His children, family members, friends and well-wishers all gathered to be part of the church service. The late Ezinne Odoziaku Margaret Anyanwutaku was married to late Chief Gabriel Onwegusi Anyanwutaku, Obuefi one of Uru, with the marriage blessed with 7 illustrious children, of which High Chief Sam Anyanwutaku, Obataobie Ogidi, is among, with many grandchildren.
It's an extraordinary person. She's an extraordinary mother. She's very kind to fault. She was a good Christian. She was a good mother who cares not only for us, she cares for everybody. When she cares for the orphans, she loves to give. She was a very peaceful woman, a wonderful mother. So I thank God for giving us, for creating our mother and granting us the privilege to be her children. And we wish we meet her again. And I pray in the next world that I'll be lucky and happy to be her son.
A befitting burial was indeed given to Mama Nnekwu as they celebrate her life and praise for eternal rest. They still look forward to a great future of living out the legacies of their late mother, who will forever be in their hearts.